So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to limit buy USD coin ticker symbol USDC in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, simply open up your crypto account, go down to the magnifying glass sort of in the bottom left area and press on that right there. Then once you're on this screen, the discover screen, scroll all the way down to where it says trending categories and press on crypto right here. So once you're on the crypto screen, if you wanted to set a limit buy for USD coin, go to where it says ticker symbol USDC, a USD coin, press on that right here, press on buy. Then once you're on this screen, if you want to set a limit buy, go to where it says market buy at the top, press on market buy, then go to where it says limit buy, choose your highest price per coin you're willing to pay, your limit. Your order will only complete when your limit is met on the market. Press on limit buy right here. I'll press on don't show this again. Now if you're on this screen, this will basically indicate which the limit you're willing to pay for a certain coin is. So if you wanted to, as you can tell, USDC is priced at $1.35 Canadian. So if I wanted to do $1.25 Canadian, for example, because that's the most I'm willing to spend or whatever, it can be whatever you want. Press on continue. Then once you're on this screen, invest whatever amount of money you want to. So I'll just do $5 for this example. Now if you want to confirm this purchase, simply just press on confirm, and basically you have now set the limit for this coin to be $1.25. So if the coin ever does reach $1.25, it's going to fulfill that order, and if it doesn't, well, then it's not going to by the end of the day. So that is how you guys can limit buy USD coin, ticker symbol USDC in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helps.